Hello guys, thanks for coming in. In this video, I'm going to discuss how to multiply radicals with different index and different radicand. Just like this problem, so we have cube root of 3 times square root of 2. So this is different index because here, this is cube root, so the index is 3. Here, this is square root, so the index is 2. And different radicand because the radicand here is 3 and the radicand here is 2. So how to multiply these two radicals? Okay, so let's start. We're going to multiply these two radicals with different index and different radicand. So first step na gagawin po natin, we are going to transform this radical into exponential form. Okay, so this will become cube root of 3 in exponential form is 3 raised to 1/3. So yung radicand natin na 3 magiging base po ng ating exponential form. And then ito pong 1/3, yung 1 ay exponent ng 3 sa radicand at itong 3 na denominator, yun po yung ating index. Okay, that will become 1/3. Okay? Times what is square root of 2 in exponential form? That will become 2 raised to 1/2. So, yung 2 na radicand naging base 2, and then yung 1/2, yung 1 exponent ng 2, at yung 2 sa fraction, ito po yung index. Okay, so we have now 3 raised to 1/3 times 2 raised to 1/2. So, ang next step na gagawin natin dito ay gawin po nating similar fraction itong kanilang exponent. Itong 1/3 at 1/2, gawin nating similar fraction. So, paano po ba yan gawing similar fraction? Okay, so we have 1/3 and 1/2. Para magawa po yan na similar fraction, first, tignan po natin yung kanilang denominator. So, ang denominator po sa 1/3 ay 3 at ang denominator sa 1/2 ay 2. Okay, so kunin po natin yung least common denominator ng 3 and 2. At ang common denominator po dito ay 6. Okay? So yung 6 ang bago po nila ngayon na magiging denominator. Okay, so 1/3 ang magiging denominator niya ngayon ay 6, gawin din yung 1/2 ang magiging denominator ay 6. Ngayon, paano po kunin yung kanyang numerator? Okay, multiply lang natin itong 6 sa numerator. So 6 times 1 is 6 and then divide natin sa denominator na 3. So 6 times 1 is 6 divided by 3, that is equal to 2. So yung sagot, yun po yung magiging bago nating numerator. So this will become 1/3 will become 2 over 6. How about 1/2? So just multiply again. 6 times 1, 6 divided by 2, that is equal to 3. So 1/2 will become 3 over 6. Okay, so ito na po ngayon yung magiging bago po nilang exponent. Okay, so lagay po natin as a new exponent. So 3, ang base po natin dito ay 3. Yung 1/3 magiging 2 over 6. So 3 raised to 2 over 6 times. How about itong 2 raised to 1/2? Ang 1/2, itong 1/2 ngayon magiging 3 over 6. So it will become 2 raised to 3 over 6. Okay? So, since pareho na po sila ng denominator sa fraction na exponent, and then we are going to write this exponential form turn back into radical form. Okay, ira-radical form natin. Since pareho po sila ng denominator na 6 yung kanilang exponent, and then yan po yung magiging, pwede po silang pagsamahin as 1. Okay, so magiging 6 root. Yan po yung magiging index. So dito po kasi, magkaiba yung index nila, di ba po? So hindi po pwedeng pagsamahin itong 3 at 2 sa loob as 1 radicand. So hindi po. Dapat pagparehuin po nila natin yung kanilang denominator sa fraction na exponent para pwede po silang pag-isahin as 1 radicand. Okay? So, 6th root of itong 3 raised to 2 over 6, lagay po natin yung base po natin ay 3. Okay? And then yung numerator po ng 2 over 6 ay 2. So, 3 raised to the second power. So, yan po yan. So, 3 raised to 2 over 6 will become 6th root of 3 squared. Okay? So, ito na po yung 2 over 6. Okay? Exponent and index. Times, how about yung 2 raised to 3 over 6? Again, ito po yung 2, yung base nila. At yung numerator ay 3. Okay? So, 2 raised to 3 over 6. Ito po yung 2 raised to 3. And then yung index niya ay 6. Kaya 2 raised to 3 over 6. Okay? So, napagsama na po natin as 1 radicand itong dalawang radical expression. Okay? So, 1 radical na po sila. So, we can simplify as 6th root of 3 squared is 9 and 2 cubed is 8. So, that is multiplication. If you multiply, 6th root of 9 times 8 is 72. So, therefore, the product of cube root of 3 times square root of 2 is 6th root of 7 times 2. 72 rather. Thanks for watching, guys. If you like this video, please click like and subscribe if you're not done yet.